Hello, my dear online students. Welcome again in Chemistry World. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid calling from Balsadna Senior Secondary School, Todi Gudha Korji. Previous class we have discussed about nucleophilic substitution reaction. First of all, we take homework question from previous class. Question was arrange the following compounds in increasing order of SN1 reaction. Compounds are methyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, and tertiary butyl bromide. Increasing order of these bromoalkane towards SN1 reaction is in this order, that is increasing order. It means tertiary alkyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide. Here isopropyl bromide is 2 degree in nature and tertiary butyl bromide is 3 degree in nature because reactivity order of different haloalkane towards SN reaction is 3 degree alkyl halide, 2 degree alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide and methyl halide, decreasing order. So tertiary butyl bromide is more reactive than isopropyl bromide and isopropyl bromide is more reactive than methyl bromide. I hope your answer will be right. Now we take a question for exercise. Which one is more reactive from methyl chloride and methyl iodide? Which one is more reactive from methyl chloride and methyl iodide? Solution is because iodide ion is better leaving group than chloride ion. So bond dissociation enthalpy of Ci bond is less than CCl bond. Therefore, methyl iodide will be more reactive than methyl chloride. Very important question. Now next question, benzyl chloride. Very important question. Benzyl chloride is more reactive than chlorobenzene towards SN1 reaction. Solution is it is benzyl chloride molecule and it is chlorobenzene molecule because benzyl chloride ionizes benzyl carb cation which is stabilized by resonance. When carbon halogen bond cleavage in benzyl chloride, then benzyl carbocation is formed which is stabilized by resonance. But in chlorobenzene ionization leading to carbocation is not possible. We know that carbon chlorine bond in chlorobenzene have partial double bond character due to resonance, so it is less reactive than benzyl chloride towards SN1 reaction. Very important question. Today we are going to discuss about second type of nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, SN2. Here 2 mean biomolecular, S mean substitution reaction and N mean nucleophilic. Totally we can say biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. These reactions are completed in one step. So it is nucleophile and that is haloalkane molecule. Halogen have partial negative charge and alkyl group have partial positive charge. So here high energetic state is formed, that is called transition state. In this reaction, the nucleophile attacks the in this reaction the nucleophile attacks from the opposite side of halogen atom. It is known as backside attack. Very important. In SN2 reaction, here only the formation of transition state takes place. In the transition state, attacking nucleophile and halide ion both are partially attached to central C atom. So in transition state, carbon have pentavalent, so it is less stable. High energetic mean less stable. In this reaction, rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of haloalkane and nucleophile both. So it is second order reaction and known as bimolecular substitution reaction. So rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of nucleophile into concentration of haloalkane molecule. It means it is second order reaction. In SN2 reaction, the configuration of product becomes opposite the orientation of the reactants. It is known as Walden inversion. So here product will be NUR and halide ion. It is leaving group. I repeat, in SN2 reaction, the configuration of product becomes opposite the orientation of the reactants. So it is known as Walden inversion. In SN2 reaction, the presence of bulky group mean alkyl group on carbon atom of CX bond produces steric hindrance for the attack of nucleophile. Very important. So the increase in the number of alkyl group on carbon atom, the reactivity of haloalkane decreases. So order of reactivity of differ alkyl halide towards SN2 reaction is as follow. Very important. Mean methyl halide is more reactive than 3 degree RX. It is just opposite of SN1 reaction. Very important. In SN2 reaction, nucleophile attacks from the opposite side of halogen atom in haloalkane because halogen and nucleophile have similar charge. So repulsion force is present between them. Very important. Thus 1 degree alkyl halide react most rapidly by SN2 mechanism, whereas 3 degree RX react by SN1 mechanism. 2 degree haloalkane will react by SN1 or SN2 mechanism, which depends upon the nature of nucleophile and solvent. Very important. Here we used leaving group for halide ion. So what is leaving group? Very important. The atom or group of atoms which loses its bond with carbon and takes on an additional pair of electrons is known as leaving group. Very important. Example for SN2 reaction. Reaction between methyl chloride and aqueous KOH. So it is nucleophile generated from aqueous KOH and it is methyl chloride molecule. That is 3D structure of haloalkane methyl chloride molecule. Here it is nucleophile. In this reaction, nucleophile attacks on carbon just opposite of halogen atom, then transition state is formed. So it is transition state of this reaction. Here in transition state, carbon have pentavalency, so it is less stable. After cleavage of carbon chlorine bond, product will be formed. That is methanol. And that is leaving group chloride ion. Now a question for exercise. So question, explain why aryl halide are less reactive than alkyl halide towards SN reaction. Very important. In RBC 2016, so solution will be resonating structure of halobenzene indicate that CX bond has partial double bond character. So CX bond is shorter and stronger as compared to haloalkane. So cleavage of CX bond in halobenzene becomes difficult. Therefore, halobenzene is less reactive than haloalkane towards SN1 reaction. Very important. Now another question for exercise, very important, which is in RBC 2070 board examination paper. Differentiate between SN1 and SN2 reaction. So I repeat, differentiate between SN1 and SN2 reaction. So solution will be, in SN1 reaction it is two-step process. Other hand, SN2 reaction it is one-step process. Second, differentiation between SN1 and SN2. In SN1 it is a first order reaction. In other hand, SN2 is a second order reaction. Third difference, in SN1, in this reaction, intermediate species is carbocation, but in SN2, the intermediate species is transition state of a molecule. Fourth, in SN1, the reactivity order of different alkyl halide as follow. 3° Rx is more reactive than 2° Rx. Similarly, 2° Rx is more reactive than 1° Rx, and 1° Rx is more reactive than methyl halide. But in SN2, the reactivity order of different alkyl halide just opposite of SN1 reaction. Fifth, in SN1 reaction, optical isomer changes to racemic mixture. we have already discussed in videos, but in SN2 reaction, one optical isomer changes to another optical isomer. Now next, a question for homework. Write the IUPAC name of CCl3 whole tries CCl. Very important. I repeat, write the IUPAC name of this haloalkane molecule. I hope you liked this video. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.